Hello, you guys. It is officially day 3 of my chemical peel, and this is the last day I get to keep it on. So tomorrow morning or afternoon, I get to wash it off for the first day. I'm gonna be so excited. I know it's probably gonna burn a little bit because when you wash sunburn or any type of burn, it's gonna burn. But I'll just be glad to have washed my face from all the dirt that it's absorbed the last few days. As you can see on day 3, there is a little bit of a peel coming. Like I'm peeling here, here, here. These right here, they popped on their own. And then that kind of made it crack, I guess, and it automatically peeled off. I'm trying so hard not to touch my face and just let it naturally peel. But of course, that is very hard. That's very hard to do. So I have to keep reminding myself, hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just, you know what I'm saying? Let it peel on its own. But I'm seeing some results. Not really much on the neck. The neck is not really peeling that much. I'm not really getting a crease there. Maybe that may take longer, or maybe I didn't really have a lot of dead skin there. I'm not sure. That is a different texture of skin. That is eczema, so I'm not sure how this peel goes with eczema. But I mean, I'm definitely seeing some type of lightening, but it's not trying to peel the old skin. I'll come back home later. I'm going to show you guys me applying the third coat later on tonight, okay? Because I have to go somewhere. I know you can't go anywhere, but I have to go somewhere. So okay, you guys, I am officially back home. I just went somewhere earlier today, and I've been in the sun, and I don't know if it really affected it or not, because I tried to put this sunscreen on before I went out. Do not apply this to your skin before you go anywhere during the 3-day process. Wish I would have known this before, but I tried to be smart, thinking I was being smart and saving my skin, but I really possibly damaged it a little bit. So please don't apply this, okay? Before you eat, it doesn't matter, just don't do it. Just try to avoid the sunlight. I applied that, and it actually ended up burning a little bit more and started peeling even more. Like you can see in this picture right here, I completely started peeling. Like you could see, like I started shedding. Like it just was hanging as I was sitting in the car. Like it just started, I don't know what happened, okay? But basically, today we're just gonna be applying the third coat. For today, I'm gonna be applying a total of 5 layers on the skin that has not peeled yet. Do not apply the chemical peel to the existing parts of the skin that are already peeling. Like if you're peeling here where I am, don't apply any more chemical peel, because what you're doing is you're applying the chemical peel to your new skin. You don't want to do that. You can't do that. So just allow that to peel and don't touch it. If your skin is not finished peeling, then apply it into those areas on this 3rd day. So my neck is still not actually peeling yet. It's peeling just a little bit, but doesn't start lifting like this. I'm going to be applying it to this area, and that's it. Everything else is on its journey to start peeling for sure. So after this heals tonight, after it dries and heals tonight, in the morning I can wake up and wash it off, wash everything off, and I'll be good. So you guys, let's just go ahead and get into this last peel. Like, I'm so excited. Let's just go ahead and get it over with. So we're just going to be taking the same chemical peel. Oh shit, let me hold it for the photo. 3rd day. So we're going to pour it in here. Ooh, I don't need a lot. So what you want to do is you want to apply this, and then you want to wait 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes, to let it fully absorb, and then apply your 2nd coat. So I'm just going to be applying it here. Oh my God. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to start the timer because I just applied the 1st coat. Start the timer. We're going to wait 10 minutes. I just got done with the 10 minutes applying, and it's starting to burn really bad. I don't think my skin can tolerate 2 to 3 coats tonight. I was gonna try to do it, but I think my skin has had enough. So that'll be the only a coat I'm gonna apply tonight. So I'll just see you guys in the morning, I guess. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I may record something again later on tonight to show y'all what's happening. But other than that, yeah, my skin is fully peeling. It's starting to really burn and be irritated right here. So I'm not gonna be able to keep using this stuff. That was it for the night. I can tell. So you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you guys just stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water during this process. Like I said, you guys, please drink a lot of water. But other than that, try not to pick it. I know it's gonna be itchy, it's gonna burn, you know, but just try to itch it like that, or put some of the Aquaphor on. You know, dang, my lips ashy. I need some right now. But yeah, y'all, just be patient. Trust the process. It's gonna look nice when it comes out. Okay. See y'all tomorrow.